Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the indoor greenhouse. Gerald here. Thought I'd show you the potatoes and the new addition. Show you how things are growing. It's been about a week since the last entry, so here we go. Those are the peas in the corner that we planted. Unfortunately, the other one's gone. My cat snuck in here in the middle of the night and ate it. Oh well, what do you do, right? Time to put a solid door on the entry of it instead of just a piece of plastic and another covering on the outside. But I'll get there. At least I fixed that long cord. Anywho, let's see. Here's our beans, and as you can see, there's little flowers on them. Alright. And over here, I don't know if you can see those. Those are our green peppers, or bell peppers that are growing. Just starting out. Started those later than the rest of it. But I started the potatoes at the exact same time. Look at these. They're beautiful. Green and luscious. And as you can see, the stalks are pretty long. It's almost time to put soil underneath them. I might wait a little bit longer. Promote more root growth if you... I don't know what that's called. Stacking them, mounding them. Whatever you... I'm not exactly sure. And then over here, that's our rainbow shard. Growing a little bit slow, but it's growing. And this is something I just started. This here is called Aunt Molly's ground cherries. Now this will be a big plant, and I'll be moving it to a different wall, but for the moment it's just starting, so we'll see. I don't think we have anything green coming up in there, but it will. Now back up to the onions. I still have no idea what I've done wrong, and I'm just letting them grow. We'll see what happens there. And let's see, we'll go back here and start from the corner. And what do we got? Broccoli on the bottom row. Nope, broccoli on the top row. Cauliflower on the bottom row. I still didn't move that one around, did I? Let's see here. That makes more sense. Alright, top row. Look at the bell peppers up there. Oh, sorry, those are the bell radishes in the corner. And then we got the arugula. Look at our lettuce growing, ladies and gentlemen. We are... Look at all that. Some of them are growing a little lanky, and I've noticed that in the center section, everything's growing nice. I'm getting a little bit of lack of light over here, and it's due to these solar shades that I've built. They're not exactly at the right angle, and I'm still waiting on my 300s. So what I think I might do in the time being is reconfigure the solar shade so that I'm getting max amount of light. I'm going to move the 1000 watt over, and I'm going to add a 400. We're going to get the stuff growing even bigger. Alright, so let's get back to it. This here is our kale. Look at that. Our kale is beautiful. In fact, I'm going to use some of that in a salad tonight. And then we got our spinach over there. And then we have our broccoli. It's going. Slow but sure. And then of course we got our cauliflower on the bottom. So an overall shot, let's see if we can get this all in here. There's an overall shot right there. And of course, I think I failed to show you the carrots. Those are rainbow carrots right there. I didn't transplant them. I decided to just go with it. We'll see what happens. I'm pretty sure they'll be small, but who knows? We'll see what happens. Yeah, I said that twice. And over here, We got our lemon basil. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I've been picking from that, and there's still tons. This stuff is so tasty. I just recently found a recipe for lemon basil meringue pie. And then we got our lemon balm here. Oh, looks like a leaf dipped into the soil. And then we have our cinnamon basil. Look at that. Beautiful plants right there. And our peppermint and our parsley, which are growing very slow, maybe because of lack of light. Like I said, I'm adding a 400 and moving the 1000. So here we have this 1000 watt. I'm going to reconfigure the shade. I have another couple solar panels to add to it. And I'm going to move the 1000 watt over just maybe a foot or two, a foot to the left and 2 feet in towards the wall. And then I'm going to add a 400 in the space that I'm standing now. And the newest addition to the room, which is not completed, but in the process, and I kind of wanted to show you in the process, is the solar water collector. And the solar collector, well, we'll see what happens. This is just the beginning. I gotta put a brass connector in there. I have connector for the end, and it's going to hang on the wall, but this is just the beginning. I got a piece of plexiglass for the top. I got insulation for the sides. It's going to be painted, so the next time you see it, you may not recognize it. But it will be an additional part of the room, and we'll see how much hot water it heats, how fast, and to what degree in this room. The idea is to sorry ladies and gentlemen, is to have the solar hot water collector so that we can heat the water that we use in our home, or at least supplement the heat towards the hot water tank, maybe reduce the gas bill, so to speak. Use solar panels above our lights in order to charge our emergency backup batteries for in case we lose power, and, well, grow food for the family. I guess we'll see what happens. One step at a time. Have a good one.